Peace and power, and welcome back to KTsAlchmy. My name is Nina. I'm Katie's granddaughter, and tonight we're getting back into the big book of chart patterns. We are on chart pattern 43, three rising valleys, and 44 triangles ascending. So we're going to start with pattern 43. That's what you're looking at on the screen. And let me just give you another view. Okay, so three rising valleys, directional bias is bullish, pattern type reversal, pattern description, a pattern of three proportionally higher lows that typically occur at the end of a downtrend. Volume description, the pattern typically exhibits a dome-shaped volume trend during the formation and expands on the breakout. Breakout confirmation, the confirmation for this pattern is a close below the highest high of the formation on above average volume. Measuring technique. Subtract the height of the highest high and lowest low of the pattern and then add this amount to the breakout level. With this pattern, the measured move isn't achieved with regularity. Statistical notes. Breakouts near 1-year highs perform best. Wide ranges between highs and lows with U-shaped volume do well. Okay. Now this is the ascending triangle, and another view. The ascending triangle is a bullish directional bias pattern, which means it's bullish. Bullish is a buy. The pattern type, continuation, pattern description. This pattern occurs within an uptrend and consists of equal highs and rising lows forming a triangle. The pattern should break out within 2/3 to 3/4 of the way to the apex of the triangle. Volume description. The volume declines throughout the triangle formation and expands on the breakout. Breakout confirmation. The confirmation for this pattern is a close above the high on above average volume. Measuring technique. Subtract the height of the highs and lowest low of the pattern and then add this amount to the breakout level. Statistical notes. Performs better with rising volume on the breakout, with throwbacks hurting performance. Okay, that's the ascending triangle. And let me make sure. Sometimes I have more than one. There it is. So that's it. It's an ascending triangle. I just want to give you some more visual, because people are visual learners sometimes, and we want to get in the habit of looking for these things in the charts. All right, so peace and power, and I'm out.